Try to make getting a gutter cleaning quote as easy as possible. So I'm now going to take you through our automated estimate system. So when you arrive at our website, you need to click on the free estimate button, which is on the top right hand side of the menu bar, and that's available on every single page of the website, so it's always easy to access. So to start with, we just need to understand whether you're looking for a residential service or a commercial service, and for this example we're going to select residential. So next up, we just need to understand the type of property that you've got, whether it's detached, semi-detached, mid-terrace, end of terrace. This gives us a rough idea of your property type, so select detached in this example. Next, we're going to ask you how many floors your property is. Is it a bungalow, is it a 2-storey house, or is it a 3-storey townhouse? This question is going to be how many bedrooms does the property have? Select the number of bedrooms that the property occupies. The next question, we're going to ask you what best describes the shape of your roof. It's only a rough idea, but it just gives us an understanding of where the possibility the gutters are going to be on your property. So the next question's about access around your property. So we just need to understand if our equipment can be placed around the property and make sure that we can get equipment through. It depends on the access, will dictate which size vacuum system we would use for clearing the gutters. So with these set of questions, we're just again trying to understand any access issues that will affect us actually reaching the gutters. Sometimes we have to use slightly different adapted pieces of equipment. So it just gives us a rough idea of any restrictions that may be on the property. So in this question, extra gutter runs that will require clearing. So this is just any additional buildings, outbuildings, garages, conservatory. If there are any additional gutters that you want clearing out, it's because the system is looking technically just at the gutters at the top end of the house. So if there are any lower ones that you want clearing too, then we need to know at this stage so that we can build you an accurate estimate. So with this final question, we just need to understand what you'd like us to do with the waste. We can either leave it with you at a compost bin or in your local authority garden waste bin, or we can leave it bagged up and placed into general waste, which we prefer not to do. And also we can take the waste away, but there will be an additional fee for handling that waste. So again, just select which one you would prefer. So once you get to the summary page, it's just going to list all the items that you've selected to inform us to build the estimate, and then we'll just need some details from you, your name, your email address and a contact telephone number. Don't forget to tick the agree to the privacy rules and terms and conditions. And once you've done that, you will then be taken to the booking page. You don't have to book straight away, you can book later on, so you can skip this and then the system will email you a copy of the estimate with the charge. And if we don't hear from you for a few days, then what we will do is we will contact you via email with also the link to the booking page. So just in case you change your mind and you want to get booked on, we'll send you another link just to be on the safe side. The quote is valid for 30 days, so you can hang on to that link for as long as you like. Just bear in mind that the cost may need to be recalculated, but we can do that prior to you booking on. If you just email us and give us a message, then we will obviously look into that for you. Thanks for watching this short tutorial, and I hope it was helpful in navigating your way through our estimating tool.